For most of history, we thought atoms were solid, indivisible balls. But the truth is far stranger. An atom is more like a tiny solar system, mostly empty space with a dense core and a cloud of buzzing energy. And within that cloud lies the secret to everything. The action is all with the electrons. They aren't just buzzing around randomly. They live in highly organized layers called shells, like floors in an apartment building. They always fill the bottom floors first, following a simple rule. The first shell holds 2 electrons, the second holds 8, and the third holds 8. Take magnesium with 12 electrons. Its configuration is 2, 8, 2. 2 on the first floor, 8 on the second, and the last 2 on the top floor. But here's the key. For chemistry, only the electrons on that outermost floor matter. They're called valence electrons. And almost every atom is driven by one simple goal, to have a full outer shell of 8 electrons. This is the octet rule. This cosmic desire for 8 dictates an element's entire personality. A metal like sodium with only 1 valence electron finds it easier to just give it away. A nonmetal like chlorine with 7 is desperate to steal 1 to complete its set. And the noble gases like neon, they're born with a perfect 8. They're the stable, unreactive royalty of the periodic table, needing nothing from anyone. We only know this because of brilliant detective work. In 1911, Ernest Rutherford fired tiny particles at a sheet of gold foil. He expected them to pass straight through. Instead, some bounced back, as if they'd hit a wall. That single experiment revealed the atom's tiny, dense nucleus and shattered our old ideas forever. So the next time you look at the world, remember the invisible architecture holding it all together. A universe of atoms, all playing a frantic game of numbers, just to reach that stable, perfect number 8.